Hello, awesome viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to see how we can add subscribe button for our videos. You'd have seen in many of the creator videos, whenever you click on the video, the first thing will pop up whenever they speak, right? It will be the subscribe button, right? So in order to do that, guys, I'll just take one a simple video. I'll explain you how it works. So I'll take this first video. I'll just mute it for now. So I'll take the second video of subscribe. So what I'll do, I'll click on right click. I'll click on right click. Now I'll do what? I'll click on add video track. Here we can add a simple video track. So this is my sample subscribe template. I'll drag it down here. So I'll put it in the front. So now you can see the subscribe video template. I'll put it in the description so that you guys can download it. Now, before editing it, so now you can see we are having some delay here. So let us not play it for a while. So we need a chroma key simple. If I click on it, so I'll be having this one here. So one more thing we need is size, position and rotate. So I can drag this one to this side and then fine. So I'll export this video so that you can simply see what exactly is happening. So let me export it. A simple video. I'll click on advanced. So I need 1920 1080. So it will take a little bit of time and it will export it. So it has now been completed. So I'll just minimize the screen. I'll play the video for you. That is a simple video which we have created. So if you like the video, guys, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.